A Tesla Model X has been retrofitted with two machine guns that slide out when the Falcon wings are opened. The EV belongs to Black Rifle Coffee Company. It is an espresso machine on wheels, but turns into a freaking Terminator within a few seconds. The Model X comes with a green wrap that has a rusty, Jeep-like vibe to it. It features the Black Rifle Coffee Company logo on the hood. It's also equipped with a body kit from Unplugged Performance that enhances the overall looks. There are rivets added to the doors and wheels arches to give it the muscular look. A Profence 5.56mm rotary-barreled machine guns that slide out from both sides once the Falcon wing doors are opened. The guns weigh 33 pounds and have 70 pounds of recoil. The Profence PF 5.56 is said to have an effective range of 900 meters. It can shoot up to 4,000 rounds in 1 minute. So, in this dual setup, you can have 8,000 rounds of sustained fire every minute. What do you have to say about this Tesla Model X? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below.